Welcome back to Mercy Video Styles channel. I hope you guys doing well today, because I'm doing fantastic. In today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you how I decorate my living area. Guys, if you are somebody like me that love to decorate your home and you don't want to spend too much money, this video is definitely for you. Because guys, in my channel, I can give you some ideas how to decorate your home and to maximize your space without breaking the bank. By doing so, I'll go to the thrift store and I order some stuff on Amazon. For my most expensive high-end, I wait when they on clearance sometime and I buy them. Because guys, home decor item can be so expensive. But if you're someone that don't want to spend the money, or you don't have the money to spend and you still want your home to look expensive, this video is for you. Guys, I'm not a professional designer. I'm a nurse that just love to decorate her home. So I think I can share with you my hobby or my addiction. Either or. I hope this video can inspire you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. I had my grandson over for the summer, guys. For this reason, my couch wasn't couching. So you know, when you have kids, so there's a lot of compromise have to be done. And even I had sofa covers and still managed to have stains on my couch, and I really don't like that. So therefore today I'm going to do a deep cleaning and show you how I deep clean my sofa to remove stains and just to have my home look like new again. Okay guys, I buy this one from Amazon, and you can find them at your local store, you know, at work. So it's easier for me just to order it on Amazon. What I usually do, I spray the chair and let it sit for a while, go do something else, and after that come back to clean it, because I just want as much deep penetration as possible. Yeah, so those vases, gosh, I love them. They from Sam Club, and they were on sale, like on clearance. And this one I think was $12.99, and the big one, those one was $14.99, and the original price, I think the price was $50 or something like that. But yo, I love those vases, and as you can see, the pattern and everything is beautiful. I was admiring those vases for a long time, but the other day I walked to the store and I saw they were marked down. I said yes, and I take 3 of them. So guys, check your local Sam Club, probably they're still there. And I'm going to use 2 in my bedroom, 1 in the living room. I don't know, I might use 1 in my bedroom, I don't know, but I have 3 and I love them. I'm leaning towards natural plant, but as of for now, I have those 4 plants. I'm going to use them, but in the near future, you're going to see me introducing some new live plant, because I have my garden. I know it's a lot of care, but since I already have my garden, I'm taking care of my garden, why not adding some plants, some live plant to my collection. So in the near future, you guys going to see I'm adding some live plant into my home. And I really love how this plant, the vase come out. And guys, if you decorate your home, this one can be a great option. The plant was gifted to me by my sister. Even I'm going to change to live plant, but it's still good to have. So I don't know when I'm transitioning if I'm going to put it in the garage, but I like it. Now I'm cleaning the surrounding of the plant to remove the moss grass on the floor. A lot of my cleaning have been done off camera, just to make the video shorter for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you look at my moss grass, I get it from Hobby Lobby. It's not too green, and I love it just the way it is. So I'm going to do my best to leave links in the description box down below for you guys. If anything in my video interests you, feel free to check it out.
Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all
I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor, sharing my lifestyle with you guys, showing you how I can take little things and transform into beautiful pieces to make my home look extremely beautiful, extremely luxuriously on a budget. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes là pour la première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner puis partager vidéo avec mes amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime décorer carrément pour été. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier la green commentaire et puis like vidéo partager avec mes amis. Le conseil va aider moi grandir pour moi aller plus loin. Et si pour la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi aime nous.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds.
One of the investment that I made is this steam cleaner. I think it's 10-in-1. Yo, I'm telling you, this is not sponsored. I pay for it with my money. But I can tell you, I love this thing so much. You can clean the floor, you can clean your clothes, you can clean everything. You know, I have it for quite a while now. Sometimes in time it leaks some water, but it's because it's not fully hot yet. But once everything is fully hot, it no longer drip. I'm going to buy another one, but until then I'm going to use this one. I have this one since 2020, 5 years now, and I can tell you I use it every day. When I bought it from Amazon, it was like $79, and I can tell you it is one of the best investment that I did because it served my family well. So I'm going to put the link in the description box down below for you guys. If something like that interests you, you can buy it, because me, I love it. Like I said, it's not sponsored. I pay for it and I love it, and I think I can share with you guys. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore ma maison pour l'été. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un grand plaisir. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Come alive. I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah.
Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. So there's a way for me to change my decor by adding some color. I don't like colorful furnitures, but I do add pillows throw just to change my decor, just to add a pop of color. So let me know down below what do you think, if you like it.
Walk with you where you go. Anywhere I'll follow. I know you. I know you. Leaves falling on the road. You can cry on my shoulder. I know you. I know you. I'll love you the best I can. Just let me hold your hand. Wherever I go, you are my home. So just let me hold. Just let me hold.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.